Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be testing this amazing, beautiful palette. It is from Manny Mua. It's his new palette, Facelift. So he had another palette called Life's a Drag, but he is like retiring it and changed the look to this kind of palette. I think some of the eyeshadows are very similar to that previous version of the palette, but he wanted to change it just a tiny bit and added more shades to it. I'm gonna insert here the picture of the previous palette so you can see like the difference. And I never tried the one before, so I'm super excited to have this one and take a look into it and create this look that we have right now and the eyes. So if you want to know how I did it, keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is the palette. This is what it looks like, and it has amazing shades. They're so pretty. I especially love those ones in the middle, which are like more shimmery shades, and these ones are like so vibrant. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see it. I wish my ring light was working, but it's not, so I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. But we're gonna try to do a look with these colors. I love them. I really want to try these ones right here. They're so vibrant, so we'll see. Also, I love this full fantasy, but I don't think we're gonna incorporate it into this look. I don't know, we'll see what we can do with this. Okay, we're gonna take the shade Sicking right here, and we're gonna do that as a transition shade. And I love that this has a mirror too, because you can just use it, take it with you, and it's so much easier. By the way, I already did my foundation, like my makeup, my foundation, and prepped my eyes. Right off the start, I don't see any fallout happening, so that is pretty good. That's a really good sign, and I don't have to worry that much about like having my foundation done first. Now we're gonna take this like thin eyeliner brush, and we're gonna take the shade Pageant Queen, which is this purple right here, and we're gonna try to do kind of like a wing eyeliner with just this eyeshadow. This one does have a little bit more fallout, but it's not too much, and we don't have to worry because we can clean it afterwards with some concealer. We're doing this kind of like foxy eye too in the inner corner. This was so easy to do, like this eyeliner. Like I've never felt this this kind of eyeshadow. It's like so easy and so smooth to create this kind of look. Now we go back with the shade Sicking, and I'm also gonna combine it with Meaty just a little bit, and we're gonna apply that on the lower lash line. We're also going back with Pageant Queen and adding a little bit of this one on the lower lash line as well. And we're also gonna create kind of like a line over here with this same eyeshadow. Kind of follow the way your eye is shaped. Now I'm gonna clear it up kind of like a cut crease with some concealer, and I'm using the Pretty Vulgar concealer on the shade Middle Ground. And grab a flat brush to clean that up. So we're trying to do kind of like a cut crease. Now we're going to take the shade Hunty and go on top of that concealer that we previously applied. Now I'm taking this blue eyeliner. This is from LA Girl, the Shockwave Metallic blue eyeliner. And we're gonna put that in the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. I have naturally curled lashes, but I like to curl them just a tiny bit more to add that extra length and curl. And for mascara, I'm using the Tarte Light Camera Lashes. I love this one because it adds a lot of volume and length to my lashes, and recently I've been using a lash serum so I can tell the difference whenever I use this mascara. Now for this look, I think some falsies will look great, like just a little bit extra, but I don't like full lashes lately. I've been doing just like some falsies in the outer corner of my eye, so I'm using the Ardell magnetic lashes. So they come with this like liquid liner, and the lashes look like this. They're like, I don't know how to like point it, but you'll see them on. So for this, you have to apply 2 coats of the eyeliner. You apply the first one, let it dry, and when you apply the second one, you just let it dry for just a tiny bit. It still has to be sticky, and then you can apply your lashes. So my camera died while I was applying the lashes, but you can see how they add that extra volume and length on my eyes. And I don't know, it looks like so much fuller, like it adds so much to your makeup. And now we're gonna finish up like the whole face makeup. Now to finish up, we want to add a little bit of color to the inner corner of the eye, so I'm gonna go with the shade Correct. For that, I'm using this small taper brush. And to finish off all the face makeup, I'm using the Chick Party palette from Benefit. This is one of my favorite like face palettes. It has everything I need. It has my bronzer, it has 3 different types of blushes, and this is kind of like a highlighter slash blush, so we're gonna be using this. I'm taking the Hoola with the Hoola Light and the California as a blush. I used to hate wearing blush, and now I love it. Like, it makes my face look like fresh, like alive. I don't know, I love it. And for the lips, I'm using this lip gloss from KAB. I've been obsessed with this lip gloss. And that's about it. I'm gonna do like a close-up, bring you guys a little bit closer to me so you can see all the color in the eyes and how they ended up looking like. So this is the final look in the eyes. You can see like the different kind of colors that I added. But yeah, this is the final look. I honestly love this palette. I love all the shades and colors that it has. I can't wait to be trying all the other shades. I'm really excited about the yellow and this like shimmery shade. I love using like yellows in the inner corner of my eyes to pop like that color. And I don't know, I love playing with that kind of eyeshadows. So overall, I love it. It has great pigmentation for hunty and meaty. I don't think it was like that pigmented, but I could work pretty well with all of them. This white, I'm super excited to try it. Usually don't do looks with white eyeshadows, but I want to start trying them. So probably like very soon we're gonna do something with those shades right there. They barely have any fallout, so I loved it. I was able to do my foundation first and just go ahead straight into my eyes. So I love it. Overall, I'm really excited. This is the first product that I owned from Manny Mua. Yeah, I hope that you really like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you've tried this palette, let me know what your thoughts are about it. If you haven't tried it, do you want to buy it? Let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Bye.